This is Lisa Carroll with the Stevens Group. I'm here at Lot 1 on Tyler James Way in Cessna Village. It is the corner lot on the water, nice and private. It goes very deep, so plenty of parking spaces or a place to put kayaks or any of your beach equipment. Over here you will have a section of pavers. Going up the steps to the main level. You walk into your foyer, nice and big. To the left, you will have your first guest bedroom. With its own private bath. Walk-in closet. And upon going back out, you go into the open living space. Very nice and open, tall ceilings. Here's the section for a dining table, if you prefer. You've got your kitchen area. Where you see the piping is where the kitchen island will go. And you'll have all your cabinetry here along with your stovetop range. More cabinetry over there, which opens up to your living space. And you'll have a walk-in pantry. It has a large covered balcony with a water view. That looks out onto the boat launch and out into the bay. A nice large covered balcony. And backs up to the woods, so very private. You can see how large the living space is. You have additional storage over here underneath the stairs. And then you have your additional 3 bedrooms, including the master, up on the second floor. To the left is going to be your master, which has its own water view. Again, you can see out to the boat launch. And here is going to be your dual vanity, your bathroom, stand-up shower. That walks down into your walk-in closet space. And then upon walking out to the right will be a separate hallway that leads to the other bedrooms. You've got your washer dryer unit room here. And if they do what they did for 24 McKenna, instead of putting a water heater here, it'll be an additional storage space. Additional closet. To the left, you have your second guest bedroom. Closet. And then joining Jack and Jill, the bathroom, tub shower, leads to the third guest bedroom. Good sized bedrooms, good sized closet, and then back out to the hallway. And it takes you back down to the main living space.